Phantom is a cryptocurrency wallet designed specifically for the Solana blockchain. It enables users to store, send, receive, and take Solana and other Solana-based token. It is available as a browser extension and also as a mobile app, but right now on the screen right now, I'm showing you the browser extension. It offers a user-friendly interface and robust security feature. Phantom is known for its fast transaction process and seamless integration with Solana apps or decentralized application. So, what are its key features and why is it great for beginners? First off, it's very user-friendly. So you can see on the screen right now, it's simple and it's intuitive, both for beginners and also for experience. The second one, there's multi-asset support. So it supports Sol, SPL tokens, and NFTs on the Solana blockchain. Third one, it's secure and private. It's non-custodial wallet with private keys stored locally on the device. So you can be sure that it's secure and it's private as well. So it's pretty good. And then of course it has cross-platform access. So it's available as a browser extension and also as a mobile app. So pretty good. After that, there's also token swapping, right? So you can swap tokens instantly within the wallet through the decentralized exchange or the DEX.